Go back home.
Salute, Patriots! Salute!
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Chef the Soul TV News. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel. Do comment on the section down below and also like the video. La i-PA le esiyibona la ifaka-ke ngizothi-ke into noma-ke i-discipline towards-ke omunye wabantu noma-ke wahlali bokufika la eNingizimu Afrika. That means this guy ekuxoxwa naye ngamanye amazwi la he is a foreigner, foreign national laphayana-ke yakhona eNigeria. So this guy hijacked a house kahle kahle since 2017 according to laphayana-ke abantu bazo izindaba. So this guy uthe mayenza lento uyenze ngendlela yokuthi yena afika ahlale lapho eloku ekhokhe rent up to isikhathi la agcina khona-ke amanzi nogesi engakukhokheli, yabo. So i-landlord-ke yagcina-ke yona yenza nje into esimple nelula, yabiza ini i-PA. So injalo-ke indaba ngani zakwethu. So to continue nje ngizokuthela kancane ama-views abantu ukuthi-ke wona athini ngalo lolu daba. We know ukuthi-ke there's a very huge amount of labantu khona la e-South Africa, but then nje ukubeka umbono wami ngalolu daba. Okay, fine, this is a human being, kungavunwa nokwenziwani, yeah, lokho vele kuyagcina kuyinciphisa indlela noma kulimitha kahle kahle-ke indlela loya muntu okumele aphile ngayo or isithunzi sakhe, bla bla bla. But then how about umnikazi-ke we-property nani nani nani? It's been a very long time since 2017 and when busy awufuni ukwenza izinto ngendlela-ke efanelekile. So that means that this guy uney'gora zakhe or else uyisigora yena by himself, we don't know. But then if ever there is anything you can say or you have any view about this action, kahle kahle nje, this is i-action because kwayona i-South Africa i-action, yabo. Kahle kahle i-action movie ngamanye amazwi. But then again, I'll just read nje some few comments and sizwe ukuthi abanye abantu-ke bathini ngayo yona le action esiyibukayo yala, ngoba hayi bandla ziyakhala, yabo. So uthi-ke uHlumani lapha kwaNdlovu, this will never end, and wavele nje wagcina kanjalo wathi nje this will never end. Uma esho kanjalo-ke ngenza kwethu there are so many things ayi-implayayo lapho noma izinto ezikhavarishwa iyo leya nto noma lesa statement asibekayo laphana-ke uHlumani. uHlumani ngokubuka kwami laphana-ke uthi-ke if ever uhulumeni vele kungekho izinto azenzayo, because obviously noma zikhona but then uyobona ukuthi-ke if ever kune-action ethile and leyo action leyo mhlampe is it a violent action or something unlawful, there must be something e-apply-wayo lapho of which izogcina inqanda leyo action leyo. But then if i-application is always the same to the same problem futhi at the same time, leyo nto leyo igcina ingenzi mehluko kangako because it keeps kwaleyo problem leyo iloke iphindaphinda njalo njalo. So I think laphana-ke mayethi uHlumani this will never end, ubesho-ke lokho. And if we continue bafethu laphana-ke uReady ubani Raja Reddy uthi-ke good job, continue to remove them. Yeah, they are doing a very good thing, but then again kujike kube nezinye-ke izinto ezithi-ke azibe ama-replies or responses towards lama-comments. I'll never get into lezo zinto lezo because we know some people ukuthi-ke basuke begxeka or else mhlampe babakhona laba abasuke besupporta leso senzo leso. If ever umuntu enza into e-unlawful, for instance nje, if you are in a property yomuntu and lowo muntu loyo is renting out i-property, obviously kumele ugcine uyikhokha i-rent and adhere to ama-rules akhe, yabo. At the same time kodwa bese niyakwazi ukuthi-ke nibhalansisane here and there ngawo lawo ma-rules njalo njalo. So going forward bafethu uthi laphana-ke uSamuel, why the owner must wait after a year to report. And then-ke base bemnamathela-ke, I think this one kumele sizwe ama-replies kuyona le. Uthi omunye laphana uma-reply kuyona comment, sold the house to him, now wants it back. How can one spend 8 years without paying rent? The owner is quiet. Okay, fine. Usho kanjalo-ke umbono-ke omunye laphana-ke, I think ubani Chitewe Rachel. Shuthi-ke izwe zezinye zezinto eziba inkinga leyo ukuthi-ke some people bafike bay'thole izindlu, R_D_P houses, and then at the same time they expect ukuthi-ke if sebey'dayisile bazithole back futhi, especially-ke if they are selling those houses to abantu bokufika la eNingizimu Afrika. Uthini umbono wakho kona konke lokho? Laphana-ke sibe nobani-ke nomunye uthi-ke ifilimu zikazi igama lakhe lelo. Uthi-ke she's old and it's a woman. This Nigerian was taking advantage. Kuyena-ke umuntu omdala. Okay, fine. How can we stop this thing of violence among Africans? Kusho-ke laphana-ke Hope. What an offense has he committed? Right. Here in South Africa, people are not buying electricity and water, etc. For example, lapha e-Western Cape, Eastern Cape. Okay, uthi omunye-ke laphana, hambani niye-P_E khona nizobona ukuthi-ke le nonsense-ke niyiqeda kanjani ngoba nakhona kuyinto idlangile ngendlela-ke iyisimanga. Why are you even renting to them? Ubuza-ke laphayana-ke u-Opa Ledwaba. Bafowethu, there is so much going on, especially-ke kuma-R_D_P houses. Abanye bayawadayisa, abanye bayarentisa ngawo, kodwa ekugcineni kahle kahle isuke umuntu eyithole ngokuthi yena-ke udinga something or some shelter kanye nefemily yakhe. Is it even lawful ukuthi abantu-ke berentise ngazo lezi ndlu? Okay, fine. Abanye-ke ngicabanga ukuthi-ke uma edayisile there must be imigudu elandelelwayo because akulona icala ukudayisa indlu or ukurentisa ngayo. Okay, fine. But then again, wena according to ukucabanga kwakho ngokomthetho, is there anything ebhaliwe phansi enqanda labo bantu labo ukuthi-ke bangarentisi or else bangadayisi ngazo lezo zindlu? If ever ikhona into ekanjalo, why inga-apply noma why ingabi yinto enqanda labo bantu noma labo banikazi ngaleso sikhathi leso uma becabanga ukwenza lezo zenzo? Anyways, bafethu, do comment on the section down below. Is it even a good thing ukuthi-ke kube nomuntu ogcina ecashunwa kanjeyaya without even having solid, yabo? Because ukuzwa uhlangothi olulodwa without even having mhlampe izinto eziyi-proof nani eyi-proof ukuthi ngempela loya muntu akakwenzi lokhuyaya, and-ke indlu kuseyakhe loya mama, ngabe umama noma ugogo or umnikazi wayo angabe kuseyakhe noma kanjani. Is there anything ethi-ke cha, le ndlu ayisabhilongi kulo, isibhilonga kulo kanje 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 kanje, bla bla bla, yabo? Kungani engakhokhile nje? Ayikho hlampe enye into ebingenziwa ngaphandle kwalesiya senzo because ekugcineni kosuku kuba ngathi-ke abantu bokufika la are being bullied by ama-South Africans because sebekwenzela lokho ephuzwini le-anger njalo njalo. Do comment on the section down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Danko.